Alright, more than anything, sorry. Alright, more than anything, this is a camera test of the new camera systems where I can add more cameras, and this is just adding the microscope into the view. Let me go ahead and start recording that over there. Alright, so I need to adjust the waveform. So as you can see there, let me go ahead and move this over here. Backwards. That is the top. So I need to adjust that. So the right side's pretty sharp. And we're calibrating, maybe. The upper one. Looks pretty good to me. Well, like I said, this is more just the setting up the double cameras for when I do things. Before I build a kit, this is a kit, DSO138 or something. DSO138 Oscilloscope kit. I prefer kits and stuff. I mean, at work, I got access to, a lot of money. At home, I don't. This is my money, so trying to get things set up and figure out what the heck I'm doing. But like I said, I want to be able to get in here and look at things with the oscilloscope. Look at different circuit boards. And there's, it's okay for examining things like this, but you can really get in there and examine it when I pull the microscope off. Right, you can see. And go down there. I got to set it down. I have the shield where you have to set it. So if I set the shield on it, I can really get a lot of magnification. For example, that's how I look at this. And then I just readjust the zoom. The magnification is pretty much based on the zoom. I mean the distance in the zoom. So we can get in there and look at things and traces and such. I have to do like a repair. Oops. This is why we have it on the stand. But you can check for little things. But, I don't know. We'll figure it out. Right. There we go. So, I'm happy with it. Now I need the third camera that goes on my glasses so you can see from my perspective as well on what I'm doing if I'm working on circuits. Like I said, I'll probably have this set up differently, but that's the gist of it. So you guys can ignore this video. I'll put in the title, ignore this video, just testing dual cameras and picture-in-picture and such. So But this is a neat little kit. I don't remember what this cost me, but it was probably around $20, maybe 20, maybe less. I don't remember. I bought so many kits in the last month, I don't even know. I got so much to do, so I'm just trying to knock things out here. But that's what's up right now. You know, camera and camera, and yeah, well, camera and camera, I guess. It's really good for reading numbers on components as well. But I still got some more stuff to get in. I guess tomorrow we're gonna do a video. I'm gonna add an outlet up here. I'm gonna just take it off the circuit breaker, and then I'll eventually. I mean, it'll be its own circuit, 20 amp outlet with USB, obviously. But we'll go ahead and. Oh, I can't even think. Like I said, don't watch this video. It's getting me cruddy. We're going to go ahead and add the 20 amp outlet and use that as the main branch circuit to feed everything else in my workshop. At this time, it won't have GFCI or arc fault. I'm going to go ahead and get one of these circuit breakers that is GFCI and arc fault combination. My only fear is certain things will cause it to crash or trip, such as, I don't know, a welder should probably do it, so I'll have another circuit for that later on. But a lot of times I hear that vacuums and motor startups can cause the arc fault to change, so I may just go with the regular GFCI breaker and be done with it. And then if something else I need, you know, it has to have it, I don't know, I'll just do I'll protect it at the outlet. But that'll protect everything here. And pain in the butt, but I'll just get the regular one today with the regular breaker. Actually, gonna be one of these. Is that a camera? Where's my camera? There we go. One of these little breakers here. The regular, just a 20 amp breaker. And then I'll go ahead later on and get the GFCI and arc fault one. But this is mostly about me playing with the oscilloscope and getting it all set up and happy. Too many lights here. Alexa, turn off the basement lights.
Okay.
Okay, so that's a microscope light then. I wasn't sure where that was even coming from. There we go. There, see, now we're learning. I don't know what I'm doing. But we'll get everything set up here and figure it out. Like I said, I'm just winging it right now. You know, I didn't even have a battery that wasn't dead down here. I had to go ahead and just use a power supply for it. So, alright, well, I hope everybody's having a great day today. If you're into sports, I hope you're watching the game on a big screen TV and everything's working out for you. I'm going to head up and head on out and go spend some time with the family for the rest of the night. Have a good one, everybody. NCP out.